Oh yeah.
Wow.
It's my birthday still.
Oh, it's in. Oh no, that's not good.
A Toronto icon.
A Toronto icon.
A legend. Is this McDonald's in a different language? Why do I like you? Why do I like you? Oh no. Kind of cute. I always buy these and I never wear them, so leaving them here. The blue.
That's actually really cute.
Yeah. This one even too.
Not for $14, but
No, not today.
I love a good knit.
I know. For summer.
Watch my cart.
All eyes. I'm responsible for all this and all that. Got some true authentic vintage in here today, guys. Artifacts. What do you do?
I'll try one. I like that it's not super long.
I just like it.
Oh, I just like the color. I don't actually have anything like this. So
Yeah. Of course.
Buying a new coat, I'm like, oh
Yeah. Cute, but too expensive. Let's see what I got in this beautiful cart. I got so many random things. Look at this. I think I need this.
Yeah, I like that it's like a cowl almost. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, pretty cool.
This is tight.
Oh, I like this though.
I know it's tight.
It's
You wanna try it?
tight.
It's too tight for me.
Like zipped up.
Yeah.
Boobed out.
Try. Look at this cool Nike tag. You're coming home with me.
Oh. I don't know if I can do it.
Not today. It was unexpectedly very tight, right? Like
It's really tight.
it reminds me of 13 going on 30.
Oh my god,
for some reason.
yes.
It's a little,
It's the halter.
yeah. And the polka dots.
Cute. Like,
I know. I think I got it. This one.
yeah.
This one isn't
This
as
one
like
is meh. That one
structurally.
is really, really cute.
Guys, I'm about to get on a very exciting call for a Thrifted This opportunity, which I said I was going to share more with you guys. So Thrifted This is my other account, if you guys didn't already know. So the call was a success. We're going to celebrate with a thrift haul. I went because, okay, I'm stupid. Make sure you have your birthday in your Value Village club member account. I did not have it there because I was wondering why I didn't get my birthday discount email. Went up to the cash, they were like, oh, you gotta put in your birthday. So long story short, I did my birthday as a couple days after, so I would get the email for this year because, you know, we deserve it. So I went the day after, got some things, and then I realized I couldn't even use it that day. So I went back again. Anyways, let's get into the stuff that I already put on TikTok. This Missoni, gorgeous. I think this is mohair. It might as well be because it feels like it. It is 65%. This gorgeous wraparound turtleneck sleeveless top. So cute. The colors in this are amazing. Yeah, it was $4.99. I have no idea how. This was also $4.99. It was in the top section because I think it's meant to be like a poncho, like a little one. But then I was looking at it, I was holding it up, and I was like, this could also be like a skirt, like a fun festival moment. Let me know if you guys are going to festivals. I'm gonna try to go to Osheaga, manifest that. I'd love to go again. It was so much fun last time I went, 2019. A lot of good deals, honestly. I've been finding things for really good prices. The summer stuff is always cheaper than fall winter. This cute little swim dress that was $5. I think it's by Ocean Pacific. Just really liked that. You guys know I love wearing my swim stuff as normal attire. This top was new with tags and was a little bit more expensive. I think it was around $7. It's by the brand Lily Bleu. And it's got the classic Carrie flower, which I think I'm just gonna snip off because it's just fastened on there. But I was thinking this would be so gorgeous with like trousers or jeans and a blazer. I got this, which was really expensive for some random reason. There's no brand on it or whatever, but I just have been really trying to incorporate. Oh, it's yellow. Okay, well, I've been trying to incorporate like one basic for every like 5 crazy items that I get. I guess I could just bleach this, but I like the hood and how it was fitted. And then this is, I guess, my second basic item. And it is very like Pam Anderson crossover, flattering. Almost kind of looks like a workout top, but it's just cotton. So into that. Poconos glasses. There were 4 of these. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Okay, I kind of left a watermark, but look at that. That shit is freaking cute. So those are in my bar cart. But then yesterday, from when I went with Bridget, we got the Stuart Weitzmans for $6. They do need to be cleaned, but a lot of you guys are freaking out about the dirty shoes, and maybe I would have done that years ago too. Years ago, we've developed, we've grown. But I'm just gonna take these to a shoe cleaner. Like, they just need to be sprucened up a little, and I might wear these to my friend's wedding in the fall because I was looking for a silver shoe. This little cute Liz Claiborne bag is $6.50. I know everyone's like, Coconut Girl is done with. She's gone, she's evolved, but I'm still into it. It just like reminds me of Mary-Kate and Ashley and summer vibes. So catch me rocking this just literally with a tube top and a pair of jeans. Very, very cute. This one was $6. I don't know, some of these slips are like borderline slip, borderline dress, but look at the little hearts and the little bows. I don't think there's a brand on here either, but I just really liked that. Oh, and I forgot, this was from the other day too. This was just so fun. Like, I just want to have this hanging on my clothing rack. That is me in a top right there. I got Daniel these pants because they pretty much look like ones that he already owns, and they're old Tommy Hilfiger. They were $15. They were expensive, but I'm pretty sure these are like a perfect fit for him. And he has cords in pretty much every color except for like a green. So you know what? I was a nice girlfriend. I got those for him because I know he's gonna wear them. And maybe I'll try and wear them too. I don't know. They might not work for me, but we shall see. Okay, I'm trying to separate things by color because Bridget was talking about how she had something pink that bled over her clothes the other day, and I'm not trying to have that happen. It's a big fear of mine. Oh, I got some good stuff. I got so much summer stuff. Like, someone take me on a tropical vacation because it's supposed to snowstorm here today. This dress was $14.50. It's by the brand Daiquiri, which I had a dress from in the past and I sold it stupidly. It's so darling. I need to alter this though because it is a little bit wide for me. But for $14, I was like, you know what? Let's get the summer dress collection rolling. Let's build it up. This is just a La Senza, let's call it top dress. It was $10.50, and I liked the front here. Okay, again, lingerie section is stocked. Gadzooks. The brand is Blue Intimates, PLU. $6.99, but it was new with tags. So can I complain? Not really. I just liked the cropness of this one and the color. This is my favorite color, I feel like. This Nike top that was $3.50 is sick. I want to look up this tag because I want to know when it was from. I feel like it's kind of recent, but I'm very into mesh. I got this jacket more so for a campaign that I'm doing over on Instagram. It's Armani Exchange. It was $30, so honestly I might keep the tags on it, use it for the shoot, and then bring it back. So yeah, let's think about doing that. This skirt was $5. It's so cute. It's got the cutest tag as well. Adorable. Probably meant to be like a swim skirt kind of thing, but I'm gonna wear it because that's what I do. This polo tee was $6.50. Bridget and I were like humming and hawing over this because we don't love v-necks, but you know what? Came to the conclusion that it's a subtle enough v-neck that I can let it pass, and I just love this color combo. It's hard to find, so polo is also always a win. The Stella McCartney top, the Stella McCartney Adidas top, excuse me, double whammy sustainability. It was $10, and I'm very curious to try this on because we both kind of agreed too that this isn't a one shoulder thing. It's more of like a neck accessory. So I have this like mesh bodysuit that I think I'm gonna wear underneath of it and just have like a lot of straps going on. This is a cute halter. I love a halter moment. It was $4.50. It's by the brand Ripe, very Y2K. And I just liked how, you guys will see it better on, but the halter looks like it's like a little ruche there, and it's very skinny. Just so Y2K. So Y2K, oh my God. Hey, the sun is coming out. Bridget found this one for me, which, let's just take a moment for this. It's $7.50, and I guess it looks like it has the original tag still on it, and it's mesh in the back, it's beaded in the front. This is very much me, like pre-COVID, I feel like, this color palette and this vibe, but I think I will always love stuff like this. It's just before I was wearing it in kind of like a kiddish way. I didn't know how to elevate it and make it super me, but for instance, right now, what I would do is wear this with like a really cute pair of low-rise jeans, light wash jeans, whatever it might be, and then do like a bomber leather jacket over top just to mature it and make it like not so, I'm going to my best friend's birthday party in the 7th grade. So anyways, loving that. And lastly, is this lastly already? Wow. Lastly, for $10, I found these vintage Gap denim shorts, which I really hope they're gonna fit me. I don't know now looking at them, but they look really, really good. They're a really good wash. I kind of didn't have a go-to pair of denim shorts last year, so I snagged these as soon as I saw that they had shorts out already, because, oh baby, that section, once you wait too late, there's nothing in there. So highly recommend checking out shorts, checking out tank tops, all that stuff right now. We can get excited. It is never too early to get excited, but okay, that was a long clip. Going to some more vintage markets on the weekend, so I'm very excited to take you guys along. And what day is it today? Is it? No. I thought it was only Tuesday. It's Wednesday. So fun stuff. Justin Bieber. Is that a whole new vlog? Maybe, but I'll see you guys there.
Really thought I'd be cheersing you with a cocktail and go into Justin Bieber, but or the thrift store and I'm very low battery, so I might switch over to a phone vlog. Wow. Oh, that's a bummer. Yeah? What's a little brand name action? These are like true vintage heels though. I'm not so much into that. So we definitely hit a dead stock jackpot. These are so cute. Got them in a bunch of sizes. Guys, I just had to share with you, this is exactly where, just around the corner, where I met Justin Bieber a very long time ago. I'm so annoying, but just expect a lot of that. Maybe I'll bury you guys and I'll put it in the vlog, but it's just for me. If you know this building, you know, this building used to be the epitome of everything. The epitome, I don't think that's the right word, but you know. What summer was this? 2016.
Alright guys, we're going to Justin Bieber, so that's all I gotta say.
We're going to
Bye!
We'll be back home, I'll tell you that much. My only request tonight is we have the best night of our lives. I want us to have fun, I want us to laugh, dance, maybe cry. That's up to you. But this next song goes a little something like this.
Good morning, everyone. These are really gross. I think it's because sometimes I use Lysol wipes on everything, which I probably shouldn't do, and then they leave like weird dots. I'm going to this closet sale that a friend of mine is hosting. She just got this like collaborative workspace, and it's kind of nice because she's just taking this stuff and I don't need to be there the full time, which is usually I'm really used to like being at pop-ups, but we're doing something soon, so don't worry. This is part of my outfit. I'll show you the rest later. I want to change up my jacket and my shoes, but yeah, I figured this was a good spot to demonstrate. These sunglasses are thrifted. Pants are Aritzia, headband is Dollar Store, shirt is ThredUp. Honking is a truck.
The sleeves more? Yeah, you can. I like it a lot. That's really cute. Is for my model today.